Final Proposed District Plan. How to make a submission with the ePlan. To make a submission on the final proposed plan, you'll need to register for an account. To do this, click View Proposed District Plan. At the top of the page, click Make a Submission. Please note the information displayed includes our privacy statement. Select Register. Use your email and create a password which is at least 10 characters long, contains upper and lowercase letters, a number and a symbol. You'll be sent a link to the email address you provided earlier that will activate your account. Click on this link to finalize your registration. Once your account is activated and logged in, you're good to go. Next time you log in, you can tick the checkbox to remember your details. Read through the final proposed plan until you find a section you want to give us feedback on. Click on the Make a Submission button. You can now select a specific section to leave feedback on. These will show highlighted in grey. Here you will choose a position on the selected section and leave feedback with relief sort. You can also click Add Provision Text to add the text from the provision. You can edit it from here. Once you're happy with your feedback, press OK. The number of submissions you've made will be counted in the orange circle above. Continue to select other parts in the plan you want to provide feedback on. You don't need to remember everything and enter it all at once. You can save your submission at any time and come back and finish it later on. If you'd like to cancel all your feedback, click on Cancel All Feedback. To edit or submit your feedback, click on Edit or Submit Feedback Points. Here, you'll be asked to enter your contact information. Once you've done this, click on Save Changes at the end of the form. You'll then be taken to the summary page. This allows you to create a name for your feedback if you're making multiple submissions or submitting on behalf of a group. You can make additional points by clicking on New Feedback Point. This will open a new page where you can select sections, subsections and parts of the final proposed plan from the drop-down menu. This is also where you can make submissions on the planning maps. Click Save New Point. If you like to attach images, PDFs, Word documents, or printed planning maps from the ePlan to support your feedback, click on the Upload icon under the attachment heading. When you're happy with your feedback, click the blue Submit button. This will open a pop-up box to confirm you want to submit your feedback, followed by a privacy disclaimer. A link is provided below if you want to check out the Council's privacy statement. Click Yes or No to let us know whether or not you agree with the submission of your feedback and the Council's use of it. After submitting your feedback, you'll get an email confirming we received your submission. Thanks for viewing the proposed district plan. We look forward to receiving your submission. If you need a hand making a submission, Far North District Council is offering a Friender Submitter service. The Friender Submitter service is an independent planning consultant that is available to assist you to understand the planning process and help you make an effective submission. It's a free service at no cost to you. If you wish to use the Friender Submitter service or require assistance, please email pdp@fndc.govt.nz or call 0800 920 029 and ask for the District Planning Team.